Imagine a classroom where a new idea is introduced, the water cycle. Maya sketches clouds and arrows making sense of the lesson visually. Leo listens, letting the teacher's words and tone help him remember. Chloe writes detailed notes, organizing information as she goes. Sam taps his foot, tracing water's path on his desk, and learns best by acting out the cycle. Each student is engaged, but their methods are different. They're not just using techniques, they're tapping into their natural ways of understanding. This scene shows a key truth. We all process information differently. Learning isn't one size fits all, it's a tapestry of diverse approaches. Each style, visual, auditory, textual, physical, adds to the symphony of understanding. Recognizing these differences is the first step to unlocking our learning potential. The most effective learning happens when we honor our natural inclinations. Every student's approach is a valid reflection of how their brain engages with the world. Learning styles categorize the different ways we naturally approach learning. The vark model, visual, auditory, reading, writing, kinesthetic, helps us identify our dominant tendencies. Visual learners thrive on diagrams, charts, and color-coded notes. Auditory learners remember best through lectures, discussions, and sound-based memory tricks. Reading, writing learners excel with written words, detailed notes, and structured handouts. Kinesthetic learners need hands-on experiences, building, moving, or acting things out. These categories aren't rigid. Most people are a blend of styles. Think of vark as a compass, not a box. You might need to see a diagram, and then build a model, or listen to a lecture and then write a summary. The real power is in recognizing your dominant tendencies while knowing you can use other modes too. Few people are purely one type. Most of us combine 2, 3, or even all 4 styles. Your learning style is a starting point for self-discovery. Use it to guide your study strategies, not limit them. Embrace your blend and adapt as needed. Learning styles aren't just preferences, they're rooted in brain mechanics. Visual learners use the occipital lobe, processing images and patterns efficiently. Auditory learners rely on the temporal lobes, decoding sounds and language. Writing engages the frontal lobe and motor cortex, creating strong memory traces. Kinesthetic learners activate the cerebellum and motor cortex, encoding knowledge through movement. The brain's neuroplasticity means you can strengthen any learning pathway with practice. Your style isn't fixed, you can develop new strengths over time. Understanding this empowers you to shape your own learning abilities. You're the architect of your cognitive growth. Beyond vark, other theories like multiple intelligences show that being smart comes in many forms. You might excel at language, logic, spatial reasoning, movement, music, or understanding people. These intelligences often align with learning styles: spatial with visual, bodily kinesthetic with hands-on learning, musical with auditory. Metacognition, thinking about your thinking, lets you choose the best strategy for each task. Self-awareness turns you into the conductor of your own mental orchestra. Instead of following one method, you tailor your approach to the subject and your strengths. This shift makes you an active, strategic learner. Adaptability is key to lifelong learning. Know thyself is ancient wisdom at the heart of learning styles. Understanding your style is a journey of self-discovery and honesty. Notice when you feel engaged or frustrated. These cues reveal what works for you. Knowing your style builds confidence and resilience. Struggles may be about mismatched methods, not ability. Reframe challenges. I need a more visual or hands-on approach, not, I'm just not good at this. Embracing your style fosters authenticity and helps you play to your strengths. This self-knowledge shapes your choices in school, work, and life. How do you discover your learning style? Try these 5 steps. Keep a journal of your study sessions. Note methods and how you felt. Use the teach-back method. Explain new concepts to someone else and notice your natural approach. Analyze a past learning success. What strategies worked best? Experiment with new tools and environments. Step outside your routine. Pay attention to your first impulse when starting a new project. Do you read, watch, draw, or talk? These actions reveal your mind's preferred way of engaging. Don't rely on a single quiz. Use real-life data. Your style may shift with context, so keep exploring. The goal is to find what energizes you and makes learning stick. Use these insights to build better study habits. Your learning style is a guide, not a rule book. Let curiosity lead your self-discovery. Don't box yourself in. Most of us are multimodal learners. Your learning profile is dynamic, with dominant styles supported by others. Real-world learning is rarely one-dimensional. Classes mix lectures, visuals, and hands-on work. The most effective learners flexibly use all modes. Build a study routine that layers styles, read, watch, draw, and explain. This multimodal approach creates richer, more durable understanding. Encoding information through multiple pathways gives you more ways to recall it. If one memory cue fails, another can help you remember. This redundancy makes your knowledge stronger. Being a hybrid learner is a superpower, embrace it. Adapt your strategies to the task at hand. Flexibility is your greatest asset. Knowing your style isn't an excuse to avoid challenges. Use your strengths to bridge into less comfortable areas. Adaptation is the real power. Turn lectures into mind maps or practice listening with podcasts. Deliberately strengthen weaker styles like cross-training for your brain. Versatility prepares you for any learning environment. Identify challenges, understand your profile, devise a strategy, and practice. This proactive approach ensures you're empowered, not limited by your preferences. Mastery comes from flexibility and growth. Understanding your learning style is about becoming intentional with your education. Labels like visual or kinesthetic are tools, not limits. Embrace your strengths. Use diagrams, movement, or sound to your advantage. Lean into what energizes you, and learning becomes discovery, not a chore. Venture beyond your comfort zone. See less developed styles as growth opportunities. Practicing new ways of learning expands your toolkit and resilience. Your learning identity is dynamic, a blend of talents, skills, and self-knowledge. Be curious and experimental. Use your self-awareness to shape your future. By knowing yourself as a learner, you become the author of your own success story.